Start with the onboard fiber module wiring. Follow the cable sequence carefully to prevent signal loss or hardware damage. Recommended input voltage 9 volts or higher. Optimal operating voltage 10 volt. Always verify polarity before power on. Pay attention to spool orientation during installation, with the connector facing downward. Align the spool carefully before insertion. Do not force the connector during installation. Incorrect installation may damage the fiber or cause unstable communication. Next, configure the ground side controller. The controller supports 226's battery input and can provide auxiliary power output. Remove the dust cap before connecting the fiber cable. Carefully insert the fiber into the upper optical interface. After insertion, tighten the locking nut to secure the connection. Ensure the fiber cable is not excessively bent during installation. After wiring is complete, begin video signal verification. Indicators should both remain on. Switch the monitor to AV mode. Connect the RCA cable to the ground station. Video output power on the system. The monitor should display a stable live video feed. Configure the ground station communication settings. Open the port configuration page. Select the port matching your wiring setup. This example uses port 5. Save the configuration and reboot the system. Then open the receiver page. Verify control linkage using the transmitter. A successful response confirms a stable communication link.